We got this Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro Series garden tractor. Now, customer complained on this. She went and she washed it all off and getting ready to put it away after she was using it. Then she said, well, and she went to go start it up, put it in the garage, and she turned the mower deck on. It was making an awful racket on it. So I'll go ahead and start this up, and you can see what she's doing. Alright, as you can see, that's pretty daggone loud and annoying on that. So, first thing that comes to my mind on that, and I hear that, we got a spindle bearing that's starting to go out on it. Start by pulling this spindle cover off, and we may end up pulling this mower deck off, which is all said and done, but we'll go ahead. Get started. The cover's even busted on there. Alrighty. There is some slop into that spindle right there. And that's the side where it's coming from. Bearing is going out of the spindle. See all that black like bearing material I'm getting on my hand from the bottom side of this. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to pull this mower deck out of here. And this is a 54-inch mower deck, so this is going to be, yeah, these are kind of heavy in the way to get out. So I'll get this deck jerked out of here, and I'll be right back with you. Now, I don't know if y'all know, some of those John Deere decks out there are quite heavy. Take off a tractor. But I got to tell you, this one it ain't light either. But I want to show you something. Once I got this off the belt, you can see better. Look here. See how that pulley's spinning under there? So there's a really good chance that that star under there is all stripped out. So we're going to have to replace the pulley on this. Let's go ahead and pull that off there and see what we got. I spared you all the annoying sound of an impact gun, but we got that nut off. Check this out. See how that star is all worn out on this pulley? So we pop that off and look at this shaft here. That bearing just, yeah, she's completely shot in there. So this customer is going to be looking at a new spindle for sure on this. Now the other ones here, that one there is good. That's nice and quiet. That one's good. That's quiet. Idler pulley, that's okay. Oops. That one's good too. Go ahead and order some parts and get that spindle coming, and we'll get this guy back together. A couple days later, we got this whole spindle off here and got our brand new spindle installed in on this deck, and got our brand new replacement cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this mower deck back on the machine right there, and we'll start this thing up and see if our noise goes away. Pretty good chance it will. Got the mower deck put back on this Cub Cadet, and got our new cover on it, and everything's all hooked up like it's supposed to be. Well, now I guess the next thing we do, let's start this thing up and turn the deck on and see how she sounds. sounds good. Alright everyone, that's going to wrap it up here on this Cub Cadet XT1 garden tractor here we had with the mower deck noise with the spindle on it. As you can see, it's not an overly complicated job to swap a spindle out if you got to. It took longer waiting for the part to get here than actually doing the job. But if you're just stopping by here for the first time seeing us, I just want to give you a friendly welcome. My name's Shaw Parmley, and we have a playlist of different content out here. We like to do a lot of will it runs on here. We like to go through different barns and auctions and estate sales sometimes and get some of this old equipment from the 70s and get it up and get going again. This stuff that you don't see anymore. I also do old antique farm tractor pulls, so we got some stuff on there for some farm mauls. We got some Ford stuff. There's some case on there, different things. We also got some tutorials on some small engine repair and some small engine tips, but you might find something in that playlist you're liking. So also as well, I just want to take a moment and thank to everyone that subscribes to the channel and those that have been following us here for a while, investing your own personal time out of your day, checking out our videos. I appreciate that very much, and I want to say thank you. And as always, feel free to leave a like and a comment down below and maybe consider subscribing. And I'll see you in our next video. Take care, everyone.